Alright, howdy folks. So today I'm over here with my jumper. We tried to use this on the winch, as you can see in the last video, and the battery's finally given up its ghost. It's at the end of its life cycle. So today we're going to try and take it out and replace this thing. It's quite possible I could put a lithium battery in there, but once I get it out and see what my size is and choices, and then we'll check it out and see what's available for this thing. I am probably going to upgrade it with another jump starter that's dedicated to just jump starting batteries. I'm looking at the JNCs right now, but this one has like an air pump on it. It's got a light and a couple USB ports and stuff. Then those never really worked all that great, but we're gonna check it out anyway. And there's no sense throwing this thing away if I can refurbish it, get it going again. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's see what we need to do here. Okay, there's a whole bunch of little screws. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. All these connectors are still in pretty good shape. Alright, looks like a Phillips head screwdriver. So in jumpers in the past, I always lost the cord, so I keep the cord with the machine at all times. So let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws, it looks like. So I'm not gonna punish you and make you watch that whole thing. All right, so I got them all out. Some of them are still sitting in there. Oh, there we go. Let's see what we need to do to separate this though, without losing screws. So I'm gonna try and dump these out on the bench. Here we go. A few more. Here we go, here we go. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that should be all of them. All right, let's make sure you guys can see this. Yep. So let's see. Let's see what we have here. Now I have never personally opened one of these before, so this is going to be new to me. There's definitely a lot of wires in there. So we're going to learn how to do this together. Alright, just as I suspected, it's just a regular battery here. Okay. Pretty cool. So let's see if I can put this so you can see it. Alright. Now I'm actually, let's see, we got looks like 1, 2, 3 different connections on this terminal and just one positive terminal. So I'm going to disconnect this side. I might need a little wrench or pair of pliers. We'll see. Yeah, it's a little tight. I'm going to have to open up my toolbox here. Alright, so since it's probably going to take me a little bit to get a battery or parts for this, I'm going to put all these little screws in this old medicine bottle, so for safekeeping. Let's move my coffee over. And I'll put my new little toolbox over here. Hopefully I can do it without dumping it. There we go. Alright, what do we need here? Let's see. I don't know if that's a see what size it is. I think it's a 5/16. Just having a little trouble popping that out of here. There we go. Yep, 5/16. So we got a little 5/16 wrench, 1/4" drive. Where's my 1/4" drive ratchet? Now we should be able to get this off of here. All right. That's the ground. And again, there's 3 contacts on here. Let's get the positive. This job looks like it's going to be easier than I suspected. A little bit more. There we go. Okay. So that's it right there. See if we can get one. All right, howdy folks. We're back. We had to wait a few days for this battery to come in, but here it is, and we're gonna get it together. All right, let's get all these parts out of here. Oh, grab the, there's a little package of screws around the table. It should be right there. All right, oversized dog bowl I got for free. Got 2 of these. Coming in handy. All right. Way to do this is probably stand it up. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. All right, so everything looks clean in here. Thanks. New battery bolts. But you're less likely to get a spark by hooking and unhooking, by unhooking the ground first and hooking up the ground last. There we go. Let me get my tools. these are different head sizes. Could have just used the old ones. So we got three terminals on this side, three connectors that need to go on here. Or actually 4. Yeah, it's 4. So 1, 2, 3, and then we need the end of this. This comes in right here. So this is going to be the hardest one to put on here. You know what? I'm going to switch these. So let's put the heavy one on first. And we'll put these little fellas on. Little washer. Little dinky lock washer. And then a little nut. Which when it's cold outside, you lose a little dexterity in your fingers. Alright. Let's get this tightened. So I'm just using a needle nose to hold the other end for now. Because I don't want to go dig out a smaller wrench. Getting lazy in my old age. Okay. Now, let's see if we can get this together. Make sure our wire stays in the right spots here. In here. There we go. Boom. All right. So now we need all these screws. And let's see, the long ones go in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shorties go in here. 7. 8. 9 and 10. All right, last one. Okay. Make sure the air pump works. Showing charged. We didn't charge this yet, but it is showing fully charged. Everything seems to be working. So we'll plug this in, we'll get it charged up, back in service. Whoop. So it looks like, now like I said, I always keep the cord on here. That way you don't lose it. But that's how you change a battery in your jumper. Let's get on to the next project.